Here is how to fix Among Us if it's not opening. So first of all, tap and hold onto the Among Us application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to its app info. Once you're here, you need to tap on Force Stop from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select OK to confirm. And then after scroll down, go to Storage. Click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data. This will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. Now try opening the Among Us application again. If force stopping didn't work, you need to go back to App Info, and there you'll get the uninstall button from the bottom. Go ahead, tap on it, then tap on OK to confirm, and then reinstall the application on your device using the Play Store or App Store. If you do not want to uninstall and then reinstall, open the Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for Among Us application, and if you see an update button instead of open or play, which is highlighted in blue color, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest version. And now try opening the Among Us application. Hold the power button and then tap on restart. And once your phone restarts, try opening Among Us. If one of these fixes worked for you, leave a comment. And if you have any questions and you want to suggest further tutorials, you can also leave those in the comments as well. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.